Hey guys, what's up? So I've been trying to get inspiration for makeup tutorials recently and I haven't been coming up with much. So I've decided that for a little while I'm going to do some celebrity makeup tutorials so I can keep up with the channel, and I thought they would be really fun to do. I've chosen a few different ones that I'm going to start off doing. The one I'm going to do today is Ariana Grande, and I'm going to try and post this picture on the screen. But I'm going to be using this photo. I don't know if you guys can really see that or not on the tablet. I will try and post it up on the corner somewhere. One side or the other, I'm not really sure. But anyways, I'm going to be filming that tutorial. I found some other ones. If you guys want to request any, that's cool. Like, I'll try and do them. These are just some that I liked. I'm not really sure what points in the celebrity's career are and stuff like that. I think this particular one is from a year or two ago for Ariana. But anyways, I just thought it looked really cute and I wanted to try and do it. So if you see me looking down and stuff, I'm just trying to like see how her makeup is done. It looks like she's kind of bronzed and stuff. And it looks like a fairly basic tutorial with a pink lip. So I thought I'd start with this one and kind of go from there in the next coming weeks. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off as usual with my Makeup Forever foundation. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. I'm going to use my Sedona Lace 928 brush. Again, if you guys want to see like any particular celebrity tutorials or anything, let me know. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm just going to put that on any spots that I have and under my eyes. I'm going to use the Sedona Lace brush to blend that as well. Next up, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyelid primer in the anti-aging one, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. Finally got the review up for this, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Okay, once I have that on, it looks like the colors on her eyes are kind of like a brown and bronzy kind of look. So I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. And I'm going to start off using, I'm going to start off using Cayenne and put that all over my eyelids. Once I've got that on, I'm going to use, let's see, I think I'm going to blend it out with Ember. So I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush and use that to blend it out. Then I'm going to take Cayenne again and kind of touch that up. Also going to bring it a little bit over what I put on with the Ember because it kind of looks like hers is in the crease versus so much like blended out with that. I'm going to clean the brush off on my hand and actually use a little cayenne above that as well. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my Veramono smudger brush and I'm going to take some of actually going to take Ember and use that on the bottom. I'm going to do this fairly lightly because it doesn't look like she has all that much on the lower lash line. Okay, once I do that, it almost looks in the picture like she has kind of like some pinkiness on the edge of her eye. So I'm actually going to take this Tarte blush that I have here and I'm going to use a little bit of that just in the edges on the brush I was using with the cayenne. I'm just going to kind of blend that in with everything else. Next, I'm going to take Ounce from this palette and I'm going to use that to highlight. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil and I'm going to do this kind of off camera and I'll come back, but I'm going to put it on my lower lash line and my upper lash line. Okay, so once I've done that, it doesn't look like she has a lot on her lash line, but I'm going to like very close to my lash line take my Fierce Licks eyeliner and I'll be back to show you guys that. Okay guys, so I've gotten the eyeliner and stuff done. Next up, I am going to curl my lashes because her lashes are super curly and so she probably has on fake lashes, which I'm not going to do here. This is going to be like the natural way to do it. I don't actually have any fake lashes right now, but if you guys want me to do something with fake lashes, I'll try. I've never really used them, so we'll see. But anyways, I'm going to curl my lashes. And after that, I'm going to use my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Mascara. I'm going to put that on my tops and my bottom lashes. Once I've done that, I'm going to curl them again. Now that I've done that, I'm going to let them dry a little before I try and separate them or anything. I am going to take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer and use that. She is quite bronzed. There's no way for me to get quite that bronzed because my skin is so pale. Or actually, you know what, before that, I'm going to use my pressed powder and even everything out. I'm just going to put this all over my face. Depending on your skin tones and stuff, I mean, you don't have to do it over your cheeks and stuff. I go ahead and do it anyways just because it evens out the redness and stuff a little bit more. Now that I've done that, I'm going to do the Hoola Bronzer. Now, her bronzer looks like it's a little bit more glowy in the picture than this. I don't have one that's like super glowy. And also, where it's still kind of like winter here, I wouldn't want to go out with one that's too glowy. I'm going to blend this in with a beauty blender now. Hi, Solaire. I'm sure most of you guys have seen my cat by now. This is Solaire. So once I've done that, it doesn't really look like she has a ton of blush on, but I'm still going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Quirky with a Luxie 514 blush brush, and I'm still going to use a little bit of that. Once I've done that, I'm going to take another Luxie brush, and I'm going to take my Luxie 524T brush, and I'm going to take my Laura Mercier highlighter and use that to highlight. She definitely has a good amount of highlight, so that just means that I get to go even crazier with my highlight. You guys know how much I like my highlight. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I kind of like to blend my makeup a little bit more with my fingers, just to keep everything even. Next up, I'm going to do the lips. She has on a very bright pink lip. Hers also look glossy, so I might grab a gloss in a second. But to start off with, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Stick and Glam Bag and using that all over my lips. For some reason, the stick has kind of gone out really far, and I don't know why, and it's kind of all over the place. But I can't seem to fix that, so. Don't really know if my purse has broken the stick. I've been loving this lipstick the last few days, you guys. It lasts like all day. So once I've done that, if it will go back into its thing, I'm going to have to fix that. Once I've done that, I'm going to grab a gloss and I'm going to throw that on top of it. So give me just a second. So I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Butter Gloss over top of this. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I think I got decently close to this, hopefully, or up in the corner if I can get it inserted into the video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will be able to do more of these coming up soon. Bye guys!